JavaScript has three ways to define variables using var, let, and const. Now, consider this function variables, for example. We have a block of code, and inside this block of code, we have declared our variables. Outside the block of code, we have our console.log statements. When we run this, we get an error, but we get an output as well. We get an output for this console.log statement. Now, why is that? Now, when we declare a variable using the var keyword, this variable becomes functionally scoped. It completely ignores this block of code, and this variable can be accessed from the nearest function, which is variables in this example. Now, on the other hand, let and const are block scoped, which means they're only bound to this block of code, and they cannot be accessed outside this block of code. Now, there are other differences as well. Unlike var, when we declare a variable using the let keyword, we can only declare it once. We can assign new values to it, but it can be only declared once. When we use var, this runs perfectly fine. We're declaring a here, and then we are redeclaring a here. But the moment we use let here, we get an error. Identifier a has already been declared. Now, coming to const, when we declare a variable using the const keyword, we need to declare and assign a new value to it in the same line. We get an output of 20, but when we do this, we get an error, missing initialization in const declaration. But if we use let here, this works, and the same is with var.